How to fix TikTok not working on iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings. Tap on the Wi-Fi you are connected to and make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and working properly. Go to General and then on VPN and Device Management and make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Now go back and tap on Screen Time. Click on Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle off the Content and Privacy Restriction option. Now open your TikTok application and see if it is working properly now. If not, first force quit the app by swiping up and exiting the app. Or if you have an iPhone with the home button, then double click on the home button and force quit the app. Go to App Store now and search for TikTok and make sure the app is up to date. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Go to Settings again and go to General now, and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS and does not have any pending updates. If it is still not fixed, go to your home screen and tap hold on the TikTok app and you will get the option for delete the app. Go ahead and delete the app and reinstall it again. Your problem should have been fixed. If it is still not fixed, restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together. Wait for a minute or two and restart your device again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.